Hello, enthusiastic little friends! Welcome back to our exciting wildlife adventure. Today, we'll get to know some of the carnivorous animals that live in our amazing world. We'll learn while having fun, so get ready! Let's begin with the first question. Who among you likes slithering, slender animals that often have unique skin colors? What is it? Absolutely right. It's a snake. Snakes are carnivorous animals with long, sleek bodies. Some snakes can even be venomous to hunt their prey. Next, the second question. How about the animal nicknamed the land dragon? What's its name? You're correct again. It's a Komodo dragon. Komodo dragons are giant lizards found in Indonesia. They are formidable predators and quite large, with poisonous saliva. Let's move on to the third question. What small and agile animal, often called a civet, do you know? You're right again. It's a civet. Civets are small mammals belonging to the cat family. They are clever predators. Next, the fourth question. What animal has many legs, spins webs, and sometimes gives us the shivers? Do you know? Exactly. It's a spider. Spiders are insects that use webs to catch their prey. They are clever hunters. Now, the fifth question. Who knows the very fast animal with black spots on its body, often referred to as a cheetah? You're smart. It's a cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals and can reach incredible speeds when hunting. Next, the sixth question. What animal lives in groups, is often portrayed as a predator, and is known as a wolf? What is it? You're right again. It's a wolf. Wolves are social animals that live in packs, and they are tough predators. Now, let's look at the next question. What about the animal that is usually our companion at home, has soft fur, and often likes to play? Who is it? Exactly. It's a cat. Cats are our most familiar pets, even though they are skilled predators in the wild. They are fun friends. Next, the eighth question. What animal lives in water, has a large body, and has sharp teeth? What's its name? You're correct again. It's a crocodile. Crocodiles are reptiles that live in water and prey on animals that come near. Now, the ninth question. Who knows the unique animal that lives in Australia and is nicknamed the Tasmanian devil? What is its name? Exactly. It's the Tasmanian devil. Tasmanian devils are unique small marsupials and a symbol of Tasmania. They are often seen as very energetic. And finally, the 10th question. What animal is famous for its sharp fangs, cool mane, and is often found in forests and savannas? Who is it? You're absolutely right. It's a lion. Lions are amazing animals and one of the top predators in Africa. They are incredibly interesting creatures to learn about. Well, little friends, those are some fascinating carnivorous animals in our world. I hope you've learned many new things today. Don't forget always to respect and protect these animals in our environment. See you again in our next adventure.